Real wealth doesn't announce itself, it moves silently, leaving only presence, not proof. The world has been trained to chase noise, logos, clout, and trends. But the ultra-wealthy? They live by a different code. A quieter one. A subtler one. One that can't be bought, only learned. Their habits aren't visible on the surface. They appear in tone, timing, and restraint. They're the invisible markers that separate generational wealth from temporary status. You can't fake quiet power. You can't rent timelessness. It's built through discipline, elegance, and control. In this video, we'll uncover 15 hidden quiet luxury habits that instantly reveal true wealth. The unspoken codes the elite recognize in an instant, but the world overlooks every day. Because in the end, luxury isn't about what you show, it's about what you no longer need to prove. Habit 1. The discipline of restraint. True wealth doesn't chase indulgence, it practices control. The quietly rich understand that the loudest form of power is the ability to walk away. A billionaire walks past the champagne display, not because he can't afford it, but because he doesn't need to prove he can. Restraint signals mastery. The inability to resist every desire is a symptom of dependence, not freedom. The wealthy know that excess dulls appreciation, while simplicity sharpens it. Every no builds invisible capital. Discipline. Stop proving. Start preserving. Because the real flex isn't what you can buy, it's what you can resist. Habit 2. Wearing intention, not labels. The quietly rich choose meaning over marketing. Their wardrobes aren't billboards, they're reflections of identity. A custom suit, tailored to one person, tells a story of patience and precision. No logo needed, because the logo is the fit. Subtlety reflects security. Flash reflects need. Quiet luxury lives in details invisible to the untrained eye. The texture of wool, the drape of silk, the weight of craftsmanship. To those who understand, no introduction is needed. To those who don't, none is given. Invest in the invisible, tailoring, texture, intention. Real confidence is measured in quiet stitching, not loud design. Habit 3. Time awareness over time waste. For the wealthy, time isn't money, it's meaning. Every minute holds value because every decision compounds. While the world glorifies busy, they glorify clarity. Their mornings begin in silence, reading, reflection, or stillness. Because their wealth doesn't start with activity, it starts with awareness. The poor spend time. The rich allocate it. Every appointment, every interaction, every pause is deliberate. Time misused is wealth misplaced. Schedule your days like an investor, not a passenger. Efficiency is elegance. Because when you master time, you master life. And the quiet elite know that the rarest luxury isn't gold or silk. It's peace on your calendar. Habit 4. The unseen generosity. Real wealth gives quietly. Old money doesn't announce donations, it funds libraries under different names. No applause, no cameras, no press releases. Their generosity is rooted in purpose, not performance. Because when giving becomes theater, it loses its purity. Discretion in giving is the purest form of abundance. To give without audience is to understand impact over image. You don't need to be rich to practice this. Start small, help, support, contribute, but do it silently. Because what's done quietly lasts loudly. Habit 5. The habit of silence. Quiet luxury speaks through presence, not performance. In a dinner room filled with loud opinions, the most powerful voice often says nothing. The truly wealthy listen more than they speak, because observation reveals more than expression. Silence is power disguised as humility. It's not withdrawal, it's control. Every word unsaid saves energy for precision. The loud seek validation. The quiet seek understanding. Speak less. Observe more. Because when you stop trying to sound important, you start becoming it. True authority doesn't need to announce itself. It's recognized in stillness, the pause that commands more respect than any speech ever could. Habit 6. Curated simplicity. True refinement lies in simplicity done masterfully. The quietly rich don't fill rooms, they curate them. 3 perfect objects, a sculpture, a candle, a book, can speak more elegance than 30 forgettable ones. Simplicity reveals discernment. Clutter signals confusion. Luxury isn't about quantity, it's about curation. When everything in your space holds purpose, your environment begins to breathe. Edit your life like art. Keep only what aligns with calm, beauty, and function. Because excellence doesn't shout, it simply remains untouched, unbothered, undeniable. Habit 7. Privacy as luxury. Privacy is the new privilege. The quietly rich protect their stories, not share them. You won't find them oversharing online, arguing in public, or chasing virality. Their silence builds mystique, and mystique is currency. What's hidden gains value, what's public loses it. The wealthy understand that attention is a liability disguised as validation. Guard your story. Keep your circle small. Because when everyone knows everything, you hold nothing. In a world obsessed with exposure, secrecy becomes sophistication. The fewer people who know your moves, the more control you keep. Privacy isn't isolation, it's insulation. The quiet protect their peace the way others protect their assets. Habit 8, appreciation of craftsmanship. The ultra-rich admire what's handmade, not mass-made. A pair of Italian leather shoes, crafted by a single artisan. A watch that ticks not for status but for legacy. They understand that true beauty takes time, and that patience itself is a mark of wealth. Craft represents care, heritage, and endurance, qualities that mirror the wealthy mindset. They don't buy for now, they buy for decades. Buy less but buy art, in every form. Because craftsmanship isn't about possession, it's about connection. The hand that made it, the history it carries, the soul it holds, all whisper what fast fashion never can: permanence. Habit 9, consistency over chaos. Quiet wealth repeats excellence until it becomes identity. The same morning walk, the same calm tone, the same timeless uniform, not out of boredom but out of balance. Consistency is quiet power. Chaos is insecurity in motion. Those who truly know themselves don't need constant change. They refine instead of reinvent. Discipline builds rhythm, and rhythm builds results. Choose stability. Repeat what works until it becomes your nature. Because luxury isn't found in novelty, it's found in mastery. Habit 10, the soft power of manners. True luxury begins with behavior, not belongings. Saying thank you to the waiter. Writing handwritten notes. Showing up on time without arrogance. These gestures whisper refinement louder than any diamond could. Etiquette is quiet authority. It commands respect without needing to demand it. Manners never expire. They're the original signal of class, one that can't be bought, only practiced. Be kind without condition, polite without performance. Because the richest presence in any room is the one that makes others feel valued. Habit 11, preference for timeless over trendy. The quietly rich don't chase fashion, they cultivate identity. They wear the same cuts, same colors, same fabrics, season after season. It's not repetition, it's refinement. Trends beg for attention. Timelessness earns it. Old money families still wear the same watch their grandfather owned, not because it's old, but because it's proven. The goal isn't to impress, it's to endure. Build a wardrobe, a home, a mindset that doesn't expire with the next season. Because true style doesn't age, it evolves gracefully, quietly, perpetually. Habit 12, emotional neutrality. In chaos, the rich stay calm. A market crash doesn't spark panic, it sparks observation. Emotional neutrality is the ultimate luxury. It's how the wealthy navigate storms without drowning. Reacting impulsively is expensive. Responding intelligently is profitable. Control reactions and you'll control outcomes. Emotional stability signals inner wealth, the kind no economy can touch. When you stop being owned by your emotions, you start owning your destiny. Calm is power. Silence is control. Grace under pressure is the quietest form of dominance. Habit 13, a selective company. Quiet wealth surrounds itself with minds, not mouths. At their dinner tables, you won't find noise, only depth. Conversations on art, philosophy, investment, and legacy. No gossip. No spectacle. Energy is contagious, and the elite guard theirs carefully. They understand that who you sit with defines how you think, and how you're perceived. Quality associations protect perception. Curate your circle like you curate your wardrobe. Intentionally, deliberately, elegantly. Build alliances with thinkers, not followers. Because reputation compounds faster than money, and in the world of quiet power, character is the most valuable currency. Habit 14, the long view mindset. The quietly rich think in decades, not days. They plant trees whose shade they may never sit under, because true wealth is built for generations, not gratification. Patience is the rarest currency. The short-sighted chase. The long-sighted construct. Every move is strategic, every delay intentional. They trade speed for sustainability. Think beyond the moment. Build beyond yourself. Because real luxury isn't about what you gain now, it's about what endures long after you're gone. Habit 15, grace in movement. The wealthiest people move with intention. No rush, no friction, no need to dominate space. When they enter a room, energy shifts, not because of noise but presence. Grace is unspoken control. It's how they walk, gesture, and speak with rhythm and calm. Those who belong never force belonging. Their confidence is silent, their movement deliberate. Slow your rhythm. Move as if time works for you, not against you. Because in the quiet language of power, grace is the final accent. The mark of someone who no longer needs to chase approval. Quiet luxury isn't about wealth on display, it's about mastery in disguise. These 15 habits aren't decoration, they're discipline. They reveal a life curated with patience, taste, and control. Real wealth isn't loud, urgent, or performative. It's calm, deliberate, and free. It moves without needing to announce itself, because the richest signal is restraint. True wealth hides in plain sight, not because it's shy, but because it's secure. So refine quietly, build privately, move gracefully. And remember, in a world obsessed with being seen, the highest form of status is to remain unseen. Subscribe for more insights on wealth psychology, quiet power, and the timeless art of invisible success.